Welcome to our tutorial on optimizing your product page with cross-sells and upsells. In this video, we will explore how to strategically use our app to enhance your customers' shopping experience. With your product page, you have the option to assign cross-sells, upsells, and frequently bought together bundles. Let's explore the process of assigning cross-sells on your product page. You have 3 cross-sells options that you can use: Handpicked cross-sells, global products, or a mix of both. With handpicked cross-sells, you can manually assign cross-sells on a per-product basis, creating unique pairings for each item. Now, let's talk about global products. Choose this option to assign a set of global cross-sells that will be displayed on all your product pages. It's an excellent way to highlight specific products, such as bestsellers and items on sale. In the mix of handpicked and global products cross-sells, some products feature unique cross-sells, while others highlight predetermined global products. In this example, this item has handpicked cross-sells assigned, so these are the cross-sells item that will display on the product page. As for this product with no handpicked cross-sell assignments, it will automatically display the set of global products. This dynamic approach ensures a well-rounded shopping experience, catering to individualized recommendations and also showcasing the most popular items in your inventory. Beyond choosing your cross-sell types, you have control over display options in your assignment settings. Firstly, you can randomize the order in which cross-sells are shown. Another powerful option is to use auto-generated smart recommendations. This means you don't have to manually assign handpicked cross-sells. Our AI algorithm recommends products based on items purchased together or sharing similar descriptions. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to change the headings of your cross-sells and determine the number of cross-sells shown on your product page.